In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to your Google Ads account and verify a domain with Google Ads. This can be quite essential if you're working with a team or an agency and need to share account management responsibilities. Let's dive right in and go through this process step by step. First, head over to your browser and navigate to the Google Ads website by typing in the URL ads.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage, which is all about helping you get customers and selling more with online advertising. Next, look for the sign in button in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to log in with your Google account credentials. Make sure you have the correct Google account selected for the ads account you want to manage. After you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. This is where you'll see a dashboard overview of your current ad campaigns if you have any running. From this homepage, your next destination is the admin section. Look at the top menu options and click on admin. This is your central hub for managing account-wide settings and permissions. Now in the admin section, you'll find an option labeled access and security. Click on it, as this is where you'll be handling user permissions and adding new members to your account. Here you will see a list of users who currently have access to your account and their respective levels of permission. If you're looking to give someone new access to your Google Ads account, it's time to click on the Add button. Once you do, you'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. As you're filling out their information, you'll also need to set their access level. Google Ads offers varying levels of permissions to cater to different roles and responsibilities. You can choose between options like admin, standard, or read only, depending on what access you want the new user to have. Remember, granting the right level of access is crucial to maintain control over your advertising efforts while allowing others to collaborate efficiently. After entering the required details and deciding on the access level, simply click Send Invitation. The invitee will receive an email prompting them to accept the invitation and gain access to your Google Ads account. To sum up, whether you're part of a larger team or an agency, understanding how to efficiently share access to your Google Ads account is key. By carefully managing who has access and what permissions they have, you can safely collaborate with others, ensuring that your advertising strategies are well organized and effective. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to reach out in the comments below if you have any questions or need further clarification.